Hello. Let's not have an opinion about my hair and let's move on. Sorry, I have a song stuck in my head. Okay, I came off a stop before, so I have that 10-minute walk and I can record whilst I go to work. Okay, here I am. You see me, I don't see you. We're missing that visual connection, but it's okay. We are able to connect through other means. We are able to connect through the character that I present, and if you enjoy that character, then we can get along. It generally goes like that. I imagine like once I will have like actual viewers, subscribers, I'll be able to like get along with them very easily. It's the fact that if they enjoy the content I make, then we have energies that are on the same wavelength. Wouldn't you agree? I know you would. I know. There's always some shit happening somewhere. Hopefully my phone doesn't catch too much of that. A green pen. Should I take that? Oh, did it explode? I'll still take it. Maybe I'll need it. Maybe someone else will need it. Okay. So, it's not a sunny day. No overall positive emotions. I say that, but I'm feeling good. For some reason, Saturdays for the past 2 weeks, even though I've been working and waking up very early, I'm feeling good. It's quite weird. I woke up at 7 o'clock. I have less sleep and rest, but I'm here feeling quite okay and ready to go. Like, that's the confusing part about sleep. I've been trying to perfect my morning routine, my sleep for so many years, and yet I still don't understand it fully. I can get less sleep. Like if I'm waking up at 8:30, I'm super tired. Sometimes I woke up at 8 o'clock, like reduced it by half an hour, and that's when I'm feeling good. Go down to 7 o'clock, I'm still feeling good. Like, even though it might potentially be harder to get up in bed whilst in bed. Like, there's a whole system with how our brain works when it turns off for rest. And yeah, the understanding of a perfect morning routine begins with understanding the graphic of how your brain functions. Okay. Today after work I'm actually going out in Central, so best believe there's another one coming. Oh, check this out. New jacket. This pen just doesn't want to stay in my pocket. New jacket, yes, looking fresh. Folks. Is that what the material is called? Folks. Did I cover most of it? Fuck's sake. But I'm way cool. Okay, today's plan is to tell my mentor that I am in fact gonna just stay part-time for this job. 3 days. Yes. Especially because next week I'm gonna be busy. Like, I need specific days off for meetings, interviews, etc, etc. So, yeah. I haven't actually thought about which days I need to be working. Okay then, going back to that conversation about birds that I had in the previous video. We talked about birds that we dislike and the birds that we hate. What bird species would you want to be? I feel like there's a few good ones. Like, of course, you won't pick a pigeon or a chicken. You could pick a rooster, but at the same time, male chickens, they are killed off at an early age. So depending on where you are born, you have like a 95% chance of being killed. But considering you survive, then you're the one that's waking everyone up, the one that everyone hears, the one that fucks all the chickens. What is the time? Oh. 28. Okay, I need to keep going. What bird? I mean, owls are cool. Eagles. Of course, pick like a predator bird. The fuck? They're smart ones. Alpha. I fuck with owls. Those are cool. I'll drop the pen again. I guess it's not meant to be. Buy a green pen. Trying to think, what other cool birds are there? A parrot could be cool. Of course, crows are like smart as well, but ravens, I would say parrot could be cool because they can actually talk as well. So I feel like we underestimate how smart parrots are. Talking about parrots, my parrot videos that I've posted, I'm surprised that they are not the ones that grab people's attention, you know? I'm surprised that nobody's that interested in a bit of parrot content. Well, fuck you. I'm kidding. I really want to get into the rhythm of recording like 5 videos a day, and I'm not even exaggerating. Like, I want to be able to be, I think that's, if I worry about the viewership and subscribers and all that, like, to be able to get many, I need to be posting like 4 or 5 videos a day. And to an extent, it's not that hard. It's a 10-minute video recordings, so 40-50 minutes out of a day. Shouldn't be that hard. But yeah, We'll see. Anyways, stay bougie, stay chill, and everything will go smoothly. See ya.